Hi guys, I hope that you are fine. Well, today we will see together how can we make a simple and correct sentence. Why do we need to know that? Because to be able to express our complete thought, it is absolutely important that our sentences contain at least a subject and a verb, or maybe subject and a verb and an object. Sometimes it might be subject and the verb and an adverb, might be subject, verb, and an adjective. It depends on what do we want to say and what do we want to express. Okay, so what is a subject? Subject is the doer of the action. It can be I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. That's depend on who is doing the action. Okay, the verb we have already seen together a list of most useful verbs. I hope that you still remember some of these verbs. Okay, just some things that you need to remember. If the verb in the present, please, if the subject is he or she and it, please add s. In the past, the rule is easy to remember. All what you need to do is add the ad with the verb. For example, if you have clean, you will have to add ad, like clean, cleaned. Okay, this is, as I said, if you have a regular verb. Okay, how can we differentiate between a regular and irregular verb? It's easy to remember. There is a list of irregular verb. Okay, so all what you need to do is to revise it and remember these verbs. Okay, so you just need to type on Google irregular verb list and you will find a list of regular verb. Now let's make some practice. Let's take the verb to find, bulmak. She finds a job. She is a subject, find is a verb. She finds what? A job. So a job is an object. Okay? To be, olmak. He is nice. He is a subject. Is a verb. The verb to be. It is irregular. So in the present, so he is nice. Nice is an adjective. Okay? To sleep, uyumak. I sleep early. I is a subject. Sleep is a verb. Early is an adverb. To buy. I bought a new book. I is a subject. Bought is a verb in the past because the verb to buy is irregular. So in the past it takes the form of bought. He bought what? He bought a new book. So a new book is an object. So as I said, how you might ask me, how can I know the object? All what you need to know is to make a question with what, and the answer will be the object, as we have seen together in the example above. Okay, so I believe that you already know what is an adjective and what is an adverb, but if you don't know, please leave me a comment so I will make a special course for that. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now.